Introducing the Pathak Group Automatic Scaffolding Outer Prop Welding Machine, the future of construction efficiency. Precision alignment and secure clamping ensure consistent, high-quality welds every time. With a continuous circular welding technique, the machine creates strong, reliable joints, essential for the safety and stability of scaffolding structures. Optional quality control measures ensure that every outer prop meets our rigorous standard. The finished product is released quickly and easily, ready for immediate use on your construction site. The Pathak Group Automatic Scaffolding Outer Prop Welding Machine, boosting productivity and safety on your projects. Upgrade your production line with automatic scaffolding outer prop welding machine from the Pathak Group. Contact us today to learn more.